Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulu and this is Everything Beauty with Lou. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some butt length soft locks. And I don't know if you guys saw, but I recently did a short soft lock tutorial. So if you didn't catch that, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it in the description box. But if you want to see how I accomplished this look, stay tuned. So we always want to start off with blow-dried hair or stretched hair. For this particular style, I wanted to go with what they call the pineapple parts. I feel like for some reason when it comes to locks, it gives it that pop. It defines the scalp. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm just going to plait her own hair, maybe like halfway down. And what this will do will allow me to be able to braid the crochet right into the ends of the hair. So just as I mentioned before, we're going to go ahead and add the crochet locks to the end of the hair. We're just braiding it in. And then we're going to go ahead and use the crochet hook to add the twisting hair. And then as you see me doing here, we're just going to go ahead and roll it all the way down. And once you get it all the way down, most people don't use glue, but there are people who add glue to the ends. That way the twisting hair will stay in place. And then after you do that, you're just gonna put the lock in between your hand and you're just gonna roll it down. And so I'm pretty much just gonna continue this whole process throughout her whole head. And so this is how it's turning out, and as you can see, it is so long. I mean, my client is average height, but it pretty much passed her bottom area, so this is very, very long hair. I was telling you guys before about these pineapple partings. There's something about it that just makes it look so defined and pleasing to the eye. I mean, it comes out looking so nice. You know you're pretty much done when you pull out that mousse. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the mousse on there and do my little touch-ups, just going through some of the twists and looking for some of those flyaways and just clipping them off just to make it look nice and neat. So as if this hairstyle needed it, because it's its own statement, we just decided to go ahead and add the bling in there. We added some different color ones. We didn't put too much in there, just in specific areas, just to highlight the hairstyle itself. And here's our end product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.